Okay, now we're going to synchronize our production environment with our remote repository using GitHub. So we're going to open our command prompt and we're going to open the folder of our project. So we're going to cd var www and we're going to remove temporarily the folder created in the last classes. So we're going to sudo rm to be a recursive deletion because it's a folder, and we're going to delete my own API folder, and that's all. We're going to write the password, and that's all. We're going to see that this folder does not exist anymore. So we're going to clone our API in our remote repository. So we're going to use the address that is here using the HTTPS, the security HTTP connection. So we're going to pull this very easy. So we're going to pull this here and this here, and is sudo, I'm going to back down, sudo git clone https / github.com / my username or your username. Inclusive, you can clone my own repository / my own API.git, and we're going to specify the name of the folder that is going to be my own API, and that's all. Enter. We're going to write here, and that's perfect. We have a clone of this project because it's completely public, so we don't need any password or any user. So we can go and refresh our server and we can have this. We have an error because we have to update the root folder for our server. So we're going to modify this. We're going to sudo etc nginx sites available and the default file, sudo nano default file. So we're going to modify the root folder, so it's going to be /public, because remember that the public folder in the Laravel 5 structure is where it starts the execution of our project and is where going to be the front end of our application. So we're going to press Ctrl X and yes to save, and we're going to reload our server. So sudo services nginx reload, and that's all. If we refresh, we can see how the error message disappeared, but it now will show because we have to configure our Laravel installation. We have to create our database, or seedings, or migrations, or configuration of our environment, and many things more that we're going to do in the next class.